If you use Adobe Lightroom Classic and want to move your catalog the right way, this video will show you exactly how to do it safely and quickly. This is important because Lightroom Classic uses catalogs, but Lightroom Desktop, the cloud version, does not. So if you are using Lightroom Classic, stay with me, because moving your catalog properly can improve speed, free up space, and make your whole workflow much more organized. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides. Let's get into it. First, open Lightroom Classic on your computer. Then go up to the top menu and click Edit, then choose Catalog Settings and go to the General tab. Here you'll see an option called Show. Click that, and Lightroom will open the folder where your catalog is stored. This is the exact location you need before moving anything, because it helps you find the full catalog folder instead of guessing where the files are. Now, before you move anything, close Lightroom completely. This step is very important. Lightroom should always be closed before moving your catalog, because if it stays open, you could risk damaging files or causing the catalog to not open properly later. Once Lightroom is closed, go to the folder you just opened, and you'll see the main catalog file, which ends in .lrcat, and you'll also usually see a previews.lrdata folder. You need to move the entire folder, not just the .lrcat file by itself. That is one of the most common mistakes people make. So copy the full folder that contains both the catalog file and the previews data, then paste it into the new location you want to use. An SSD is usually the best choice if you want better performance, because Lightroom catalogs load much faster from an SSD than from a traditional hard drive. If you want, you can also move it to an external SSD, especially if you want to use the same catalog on another computer. Just make sure the new location has enough space and is stable. After the files finish copying, open the new folder and double-click the .lrcat file. That is the file Lightroom uses to launch the catalog. When you open it from the new location, Lightroom Classic should start using the moved catalog automatically. If everything was copied correctly, your edits, folders, and previews should all still be there exactly as before. Now let's talk about why people move their Lightroom catalog in the first place. The biggest reason is speed. If your catalog is sitting on a slow hard drive, moving it to an SSD can make a huge difference when loading photos, switching between images, and editing inside Lightroom. Another reason is storage space. Over time, catalogs and previews can grow very large, sometimes taking up tens of gigabytes or even more. Moving them to another drive can free up space on your main system drive. A third reason is portability. If you keep your catalog on an external SSD, you can work on the same catalog from another computer more easily. And finally, it helps with organization. A lot of users prefer to keep the catalog on an SSD and keep the actual photo files on a separate drive, which makes the workflow cleaner and easier to manage. Just remember the key rule. Do not move only the .lrcat file. Move the full catalog folder, keep the folder structure the same, and always close Lightroom first. If you follow those steps, the process is simple and safe. So that's how to move your Lightroom catalog the right way in Adobe Lightroom Classic. If this walkthrough helped, please like the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.